Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about two things that I think every beginner Forex trader needs. The first thing that you need is a trade manager. You need something that will automatically calculate your lot sizes. You need something that will automatically prevent you from over trading, and you need something to manage your trades when you're cooking in the kitchen or doing something else. All right. Now, our tool, this is our trade manager software. It allows you to manage your trades very easily. So let me show you. It provides a wonderful panel that you can use to buy and sell very easily just by clicking a button. And it also automatically calculates the lot size that you should use. So maybe you want to risk 0.8% of your account. You can just type in your risk, type in your stop loss, and it will automatically calculate the lot size that you should be using. All right. You can choose to move your stop loss to break even. You can choose to close 50% of your trades. You can choose to close the trades in profit or close all the trades in loss. It's all up to you. Now, the most important feature it has is the daily equity protector. It allows you to stop you from over trading, basically. So if your target is $100 for the day, once you hit $100, you can't trade anymore. That's it. Same thing for loss. If your target is $100 loss for the day and you don't want to trade anymore, once you hit that loss, it prevents you from trading the account. All right. And yeah, that's basically it. It gives you a trailing stop loss. It shows you your balance, your equity, your drawdown. It's perfect for beginners. All right, so that's one. The second tool that we have is our uGenesys trend. All right, now the biggest problem that many traders have is they don't know what to trade. They don't know when to trade. All right, now we've solved this problem with our uGenesys trend indicator. Every day it gives you an alert. So it tells you what currency pair to choose, and it tells you what time to trade. All right. Let me scroll down so you can see it. So yeah, it gives you sell alerts at different times, the best times for trading. It gives you buy alerts as well. It allows you to see the overall trend of the market, and it also gives you the currency strength. So when you look at this, you will be able to know exactly what currency pair to trade. All right. So yeah, guys, these are my two tools for Forex beginners, and I put the link to them in the description of this video. I also put the link to the tutorials that I did on how to use these two indicators. So guys, you can just click the link in the description below and you'll see everything that you need. Now, guys, you can enjoy today's video. All right. Talk soon.
Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and today I'm going to show you two indicators in TradingView that are suitable for beginners. These indicators are profitable and they're very easy for beginners to use because they don't require a lot of knowledge because it's pretty straightforward, alright? So first we'll open up a GBP USD chart with a 3-minute time frame. Then we'll click on our indicator section and type in Laguerre filter. That's LAGUERRE. Here we have it, Laguerre filter. We click on that and add it to our chart. And you can see this indicator has a line with green sections for buying and red sections for selling, right? Pretty easy. Then we're going to add our second indicator. And so we'll type in moving average exponential. And here we have it right here. So let's add this one to our chart as well. So for this indicator, we're just going to make a quick change, alright? So we'll go to settings, then the input section, and change the length to 200. And to make it more visible, we'll also go to style and change the EMA to orange. And then click OK. So the strategy with using these indicators is very simple, and it can be used for any chart or any time frame. So the purpose of the EMA is to find the main trend of the market. So when the market is above the EMA line, then we know we're in an uptrend, and when it is below the EMA line, then we know we're in a downtrend. All right, so we can use this knowledge to place our buy and sell orders. So let's look at some examples on the chart here. So if you look right here, we have the EMA line and our market is below it, and we have our Laguerre indicator here as well. So right here we could take a sell position, all right? And we can use our short position tool here just to see our profits that we would make from this position here. So we go to this trigger candle here below the lines, and you could set your stop loss right at the previous high of the market, and your take profit down below here. And you can see we have a risk reward ratio of 1.5. So if you check right here with our EMA line, the market is above it, and with our Laguerre filter it's green, so that means we can take a buy position right here. So let's go ahead and use our long position tool just to take a look at the profits we can make at this position here. So we could set our stop loss just a little bit below this level and take our profit up here at the next high of the market, and you can see we have a risk reward ratio of 1.3. So this is a very good indicator for beginners, guys, and this indicator is good for any chart as well. So let's go ahead and open up the gold chart. So if you look right here, we have our EMA line and the market is above it, so that means we're in an uptrend, and with our Laguerre filter indicator we have a green here, so that means we could take a buy position here. So this would be a valid signal to take a buy entry. And also if you check right here, we have our EMA line again and the market is below, signifying a downtrend, and our Laguerre filter is red, so that means we could take a buy position right here. So this again is another valid signal. Okay, so these indicators are very simple to use and don't require much technical analysis, so that makes them very good for beginners. So hopefully these indicators can give you some profitable trades. Okay, so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment down below and let us know what you think. Okay, goodbye for now.